If you're a real estate investor, you would love to have more passive income on your investment, right? We recently had a client who built a billboard on a property that he owned and subsequently sold it for a substantial profit. So today we're going to talk about billboards and how you as an investor can benefit from that income. Guys, this is Naomi Brown with Capstone Commercial. And there's basically three ways that you can invest in a billboard. And the first one is to own land in the right location, of course, that you ground lease to a billboard company. Now, billboard companies are usually large outdoor advertising companies that'll pay you a rent for your location. And a ground rent is the simplest, most passive form to do that. The second way you could benefit from billboards is by owning the ground and the billboard itself. Now, this is a distinction because there could be some upside if you actually own the sign itself. So, for instance, maybe making it a two-way sign if it's only one way currently, or also creating a digital billboard if the location is a high traffic enough spot that it would make it worthwhile. The third way that you can invest in billboards is by actually going out and purchasing standalone billboards. Now, this is less common just because most of the time billboards are a supplemental income piece for other real estate investments. But if you can parcel them off separately, which some investors do, you could sell that or buy it from another investor independent of the surrounding real estate. So let's say that you own some land in the right location and you want to develop a billboard. There's two major considerations there. So the first one is permits and zoning. Now, a lot of townships and counties have restrictions on billboards, which your location may allow or it may not. But even if it does allow, oftentimes they may have conditions where it has to be 1,000 feet from another billboard location, can't be too close to an on or exit ramp, and so on. So you may benefit from talking to a civil engineer in order to review the zoning conditions and make sure that your location would fit the requirements set forth. And the second thing you really need to make sure you do your due diligence on before putting up a billboard is your traffic counts and location. So think of your billboard as like a mini mall, because the more eyes, the more eyeballs you have, the more your location is worth. So make sure that you're doing your homework on the traffic counts or maybe foot traffic if it's that type of location, to make sure that it's going to be a profitable location once you do develop that billboard. So consulting with an outdoor advertising company would certainly help, or a commercial realtor might be able to give you some insights into that as well. I hope this video brought you value. If so, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for investments in Pennsylvania or Maryland, please reach out to us. We're happy to help.